So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to expand cameras. And now you want to find your webcam. You want to right click on it and then click on disable device. And then click on yes. And now after you disable your webcam, you want to right click on it again and then click on enable device. See if that fixes your problem. For the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And now you want to scroll down until you find camera. You want to click on that. Now you want to turn off camera access and then turn it back on again. See if that works. Also, make sure that the application that you want to use your camera for has also been turned on. For the next method, if you're using an external camera, then just unplug it and then plug it back in again. There may also be a camera key on your keyboard if you're using a laptop that will allow you to toggle your camera on or off. You could try pressing on that as well. For the last method, you could just do a simple restart of your computer. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.